Now, or more to determine current I. So, how can we determine I? Okay. So, first of all, if you see very carefully, like that one, okay. If this one is as a consider as a ductum node, that is 0 voltage, okay, and that current is I1 and that current is I2, okay, and that voltage node voltage is Vx. So, apply KCL at node Vx, okay, apply KCL at node Vx, then you can say that apply current, incoming current I1 plus I2, outgoing current this is equal to I, okay, incoming current, sum of incoming current this is equal to sum of outgoing current. So, incoming current is I1 plus I2, this is equal to I. I1 is how much? This is negative terminal, that is positive terminal, this is negative and that is positive, and that one is a ductum node, 0 voltage, okay. So, how can it end? 0 minus Vx, current leave from positive terminal, so plus 10 volt divided by how much? 4 ohm, plus what about I2? I2 is written as 0 minus Vx, current leave from positive terminal of 5 volt divided by how much? 8 ohm, this is equal to what about I? I is written as Vx minus 0 divided by 6 ohm, okay. Now, that one is written as 10 minus Vx divided by 4 plus 5 minus Vx divided by 8, this is equal to R minus Vx divided by 6, this is equal to 0, okay. Now, after solving these two, we got 8 and that is 20 minus 2 Vx plus 5 minus Vx minus this is equal to 0, clear or not? That is 25 minus 3 Vx divided by 8 minus Vx by 6, this is equal to 0, okay. Now, after that, here take LCM, okay, that is 48, 6 into 25 minus 3 Vx minus 8 Vx, this is equal to 0, divided by 3, divided by 2, then we got 25 minus 3 Vx, this minus 4 Vx, this is equal to 0, 75 minus 9 Vx minus 4 Vx, this is equal to 0, 9 plus 4 that 13, so 75 divided by 13 volt, okay. Now, so what about I? I is Vx minus 0 divided by 6, so that one is 75 by 13 into 6, okay. So what about I? 6 3 25 divided by 26 milli, sorry, ampere, okay. This is the right answer, clear or not? Make it.